Here we go. Adhesion contracts. We, the people, have the unlimited right to contract guaranteed by the Constitution and the common law preceding it. We, the people, also live in a commercial culture dominated by commercial agreements and contracts whereby our freedom, rights, and sovereign state citizenship has been contracted away. Every time you sign your name on a form, you are entering a commercial agreement that can bind you to perform as specified. Some of these contracts may be harmful, yet others may bind us in a way we do not fully comprehend. These are called adhesion contracts. Contracts must be voluntary in nature and fully disclosed to be enforceable. The parties must also be able to perform. Adhesion contract, a contract so heavily restrictive of one party, while non-restrictive of the other, that doubts arise as to the voluntary nature of the contract. Take it or leave it basis. Weaker party has no realistic choice as to its terms. Did you realize that when you completed and signed the 1040 tax return, you volunteered into the jurisdiction of the federal United States government? Admitted being a corporate person and federal government employee, agreed to abide by all the rules and regulations of the Internal Revenue Code, and therefore became subject to the state and federal income tax. Did you know that W-4 is a gift, a state tax form for federal government employees, not for American state citizens? Were you ever told by anyone in the government that when you applied for a social security number, you became a U.S. citizen and waived your unalienable rights as a sovereign state citizen, became a federal government employee by enrolling in a federal government retirement and insurance benefit program, transferred your power of attorney to the Social Security Administration, and was made liable for the federal debt? Did anyone ever fully or honestly disclose the intent of the state motor vehicle code when you applied for and received your driver's license? Were you aware that the driver's license and vehicle registration laws are occupation taxes for commercial drivers? And that sovereign state citizens needed apply providing you own your own place travel device? The driver's license and vehicle registration are voluntary contracts to become subject to the Department of Motor Vehicle Codes. Get licensed, get insurance, register your vehicle, and pay fees. You are also unwillingly agreeing to transfer the lawful title of your vehicle to the state when it was purchased from the original dealer.